Hello students, in this video I shall be explaining you all how to frame the equations for simultaneous equations. I am doing 3 word problems from my sheet. First is on a fraction. So let's read question number 4. The denominator of a fraction is greater than the numerator by 9, and if 7 is subtracted from both its numerator and denominator, the fraction becomes 2 upon 3. Find the original fraction. So for this sum, the first condition given to me was that the denominator is greater than its numerator by 9. So let the fraction be x upon y. Means x is your numerator, y is your denominator. So denominator is greater than numerator by 9. So y is equal to x plus 9. This is my first condition. Second condition given to me is 7 is subtracted from both. Means I have to subtract 7 from both. So this becomes x minus 7 and y minus 7, and the fraction becomes 2 upon 3. Now here in this sum I can use substitution method because I have the value of y as x plus 9. So if I substitute the value of y, it will become x minus 7 upon x plus 9. Instead of y I am writing x plus 9 minus 7 is equal to 2 upon 3. I have substituted the value of y as x plus 9 and I have just continued with whatever I had framed. So when I simplify this, I get x minus 7 upon x plus 2. 9 plus 9 and minus 7 gives me plus 2 is equal to 2 upon 3. We will just cross multiply now. So 3x minus 21 is equal to 2x plus 4, and when I team up the like terms, I get x is equal to 25, and accordingly you get the value of y as 25 plus 9, which is 34. So my fraction becomes, because the sum is a fraction, please finish it framing as 25 upon 34. So answer is 25 upon 34. The next sum that I will be doing is on a number sum. So a number of 2 digits exceeds 4 times the sum of its digits by 6, and the number is increased by 9 on reversing the digits. So when I do the number sum, I ask you all to read it carefully when it is talking about the digit and when it is talking about the number. So let's understand the framing of it. So whenever we are doing a number sum, I always ask the students to make this table. So you write over your tens and units. Let the digit at the tens place be x and the digit at the units place be y. So these are my digits. So whenever I will talk about digits, it will be x and y. My number becomes 10x plus y, and the reverse number will become 10y plus x. So be very clear. The digits at the tens place is x, digits at the units place is y. My number becomes 10th digit is multiplied by 10 plus y. So the number is 10x plus y and reverse number is 10y plus x. So wherever we talk about the number, I will put 10x plus y. Wherever I talk about the reverse number, I will put 10y plus x, and digits are x and y. Now let's read the question again. So I was told that the number of 2 digits exceeds 4 times the sum of its digits by 6. So a number of 2 digits. So whenever I am talking about number, what will I write? I will write 10x plus y exceeds sum of its digits 4 times sum of its digits. So 4 into x plus y plus 6. So let's just understand the framing. A number of 2 digits means my number is 10x plus y. Exceeds means it is more. You can either put a minus sign over here or is equal to sign. 4 times means 4 into sum of digits. Digits are x and y, and sum means x plus y. By 6 means plus 6. So this is how the framing of the equation is done, and then you have to just simplify this. So number of 2 digits, this is my 2-digit number, exceeds 4 times the sum of the digits by 6. Now the second situation, I have simplified this equation and I have given it to you. So it becomes 6x minus 3y is equal to 6. When I divide the whole equation, I get 2x minus y is equal to 2. I have labeled it as equation 1. Now what is told to me that if the number is increased by 9. So what is my number? 10x plus y. I have to increase it by 9 means I have to add 9 to it. And then what happens? If the number is increased by 9 on reversing the digit. So the number is increased by 9 on reversing the digits. So reversing the digits means we are talking about the reversal number. So it will become 10y plus x. Let's again understand the framing. So the number is increased by 9. So I increase the number by 9 on reversing the digit means 10y plus x. So when I simplify this further, 10x minus x gives me 9x. This will become minus 10y over here. Minus 10y plus y gives me minus 9y is equal to minus 9. The 9 goes on the other side. It becomes minus 9. And when I divide this whole equation by 9, I will get x minus y is equal to minus 1. This is my equation 2. So when I solve these two equations, it is extremely easy for me. I don't need to do any changes. I will just subtract the two equations. That changes my signs and I get x is equal to 3. If x is 3, then y becomes 4 and the number is 34. This is your answer. The last sum which I will be doing it is on age sum. So then sum number 9. 1 year ago, a man was 4 times as old as his son. After 6 years, his age exceeds twice his son's age by 9. Find their present ages. So whenever I do an age sum, I have asked the students to frame a table. So there are two people over here. It is man and son. So first their present ages be, let the man's present age be x and the son's present age be y. First you have to frame their ages 1 year ago. 1 year ago, man's age will be x minus 1, y minus 1. I am just framing their ages and not the equation. So equation will become 1 year ago, man's age was 4 times son's age. So let's substitute. 1 year ago, man's age was x minus 1. So I will write x minus 1 is equal to 4 times y minus 1. On solving, you will get x minus 1 is equal to 4y minus 4 and you get x minus 4y is equal to minus 3. This is your equation 1. The next situation reads 6 years hence or after 6 years. So first frame their ages after 6 years. After 6 years, man will be x plus 6 years old and the son will become y plus 6 years old. Now frame your equation. The equation says after 6 years, his age means man's age will be twice his son's age. Twice his son's age. Now just substitute. After 6 years, man's age is x plus 6 and twice his son's age. Son's age is y plus 6. So I get x plus 6 is equal to there was another addition to it. After 6 years, his age exceeds twice his son's age by 9. So man's age exceeds twice son's age by 9 means I have to add a 9 over here. So when I simplify this, I get x minus 2y is equal to 15. So again, man's age after 6 years exceeds his son's age by 9. Twice his son's age by 9. Instead of equal to, you can put a minus sign also for exceeds. It means the same equation. When you solve the two equations, it becomes very easy because the x can be eliminated over here but you need to change the signs because the signs are same. So you are subtracting the two equations, so it is 1 minus 2. So you get I just made the changes over here. This was 15. Now you have to subtract the second equation. So you get minus 2y is equal to minus 18 and y is equal to 9 years. If y is 9, you have to substitute the value of y in the easier equation. You will get the man's age as 33. Please put the years sign in the final answer. So man's age is 33 years and son's age is 9 years. Thank you.